talk you through it. So we've got the fire going, as you can see. It's little pieces of wood that our friend Mike has chopped up very neatly into about 50 mil. So it's a bit windy today, that's why it's going crazy. But we'll give that about 20 minutes and that'll have heated up. If you can come round this side, Mike, mind the smoke. You might be able to see better from this side. You've got two big stones there that will heat up. The heat's getting deflected back down by the steel unit, and it's going to heat up the stone, and that's going to cook the base of the pizza.
This is the paddle that I use to roll the pizza into the oven. I put some uncooked polenta on the bottom, and the little grains act like ball bearings, so it makes it easier to roll a pizza. The dough is sometimes wet. So I've made my balls here. So
that's just the base.
I'm going to
That's the base.
roll it out by hand, and then just sprinkle it with a bit of flour,
That is pudding.
so it's nice and dry,
It's no cheese.
and then just open it up,
You've never cried.
nice and thin. Try not to break it.
No cheese, Charlie.
And then put it down on here. And then John gets excited. And then this is just tomatoes that I blitz. I don't make a sauce because I think that adds too many flavours. I like it plain and simple. And it's just good San Marzano tomatoes. Okay, a thin layer because you don't want it too soggy. And then on this one we're going to put some fresh tomatoes from the garden. And Monty has prepared them with a little bit of basil and a little bit of olive oil. So that's. And I also like a bit of asparagus on a pizza.
I'm so hungry. Can you not go up any faster?
No.
Green sauce, red sauce, truffle oil.
Just put that down like that. Not too much because you don't want to overload it. And then we're going with a thin sprinkling of cheese.
Am I going to eat the whole pizza myself?
And the pizza goes soggy. Salt.
As far as I'm aware, it's still on there.
Pepper.
What I tend to get, you tend to
Drizzle
get
of
this
olive oil.
every so often.
We need our napkin. Oh, no, they are.
And then I go to slice it.
Now I just slide it in.
And you have to watch it like a hawk because it's going to cook in 5 minutes and it could burn very quickly. Okay, we're going to pull it out and turn it around. So the bit closer to the fire, you can hear it sizzling and that's cooked quite nicely. So we just turn it around. Slip it back in. Then we'll turn it around another 2 or 3 times until it's all cooked evenly around and the cheese is nice and melted. Okay, so that's cooked nicely.
We've got a big pizza oven. We'll build another one, proper pizza oven.
Yeah.
They used to do meat in there as well. And